I need everybody to pause scrolling for just a moment because this message is going to protect your refund, your future filings, and your peace. Here it is, plain and clear. TikTok is not your tax preparer, Instagram is not your CPA, and viral advice does not override IRS law. I don't care how confident the person sounds, I don't care how many likes the video has, and I really don't care if they start the sentence with my client did this and got $18,000. This tax season, following social media tax advice without context is one of the fastest ways to get flagged, delayed, or audited, especially under the new OBBB environment. Here's what's happening behind the scenes that nobody is talking about. The IRS systems are now cross referencing prior year filings, income records from employers and payment platforms, credit patterns, and filing consistency. So when someone online tells you everyone should file head of household or claim this credit, no matter what, they are setting you up to explain yourself later with paperwork you probably don't have. And here's the wild part. Most people don't even realize they claimed something wrong until years later when it finally catches up. Let's talk credits for a second because this is where TikTok does the most damage. Credits are not universal, they are situational. Just because someone else qualified does not mean you do. Just because it worked last year does not mean it works this year. And just because it boosts a refund does not mean it's legal for your circumstances. Under OBBB, credits are being examined more carefully, not eliminated, not demonized, but verified. That means documentation matters, eligibility matters, filing status matters, and consistency matters. And if one piece is off, the whole return can slow down. This is why I always tell people a refund you can explain is better than one you can't. Now let's talk about protection because I'm not here to scare you. I'm here to equip you. The safest way to file this season is not to avoid credits, it's to apply them correctly. That takes someone who knows how to read between the lines. And that's where structure comes in. This is also where my overflow framework lives. Overflow is about understanding how money moves through your life, not just how it shows up once a year. Most people are not underpaid, they're misaligned, and tax season exposes that loud and clear. When we do your return properly, we're not just asking, what do you qualify for? We're asking what makes sense long term, what won't trigger issues later, what supports your goals, not just your emotions. That's the difference between guessing and strategy. All of my appointments are 100% virtual, which means you get access to this level of care without running around. We meet, we review, we file with intention. And for the ones listening closely, you already know this goes deeper than taxes. If you've been feeling like you need guidance, clarity, or someone to help you make sense of the bigger picture, that's exactly why I'm opening the door to my upcoming coaching program and series. You don't have to wait for a launch announcement to move. If you feel called to work with a coach, slide into my DMs. That door is open on purpose. But right now, let's get your foundation right. Don't let the internet file your taxes. Don't borrow confidence from people who won't answer your IRS letter. And don't confuse viral with valid. Book your appointment, get clarity, and move through this season clean. I'm trying to tell you some good things,